Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna look at the Lightning Network. A lot of the time we heard about the Lightning Network, but we don't really know like how does it work. Not that we need to know. Today, I just wanna show you a quick picture of what it is, and I'm just gonna show you how you can use it, and that's the most important thing because Bitcoin transactions. If you look at this image over here, in the bottom is those Bitcoin blocks that just process every 10 minutes in average. And these Bitcoin blocks of transactions, they contain a, a bunch of data. And there's a limit on how much each of those blocks can be. And there's a cost for those transactions. So if you look closely in the mempool, you're gonna look that, for example, this is a block. That's a block that just came in today. And if you look down, you'll see inside this block, there's each set of transactions. Like this transaction is a 0.77 Bitcoin. Yeah, that's about $57.6, right? $57, that's 60,000 sats to pay for the transaction fees on this transaction. If you look, others is $6, and some of them are $2. Some are if you like had like larger amounts, they are quite like more expensive to process because they probably have more inputs. Um, but something like about 100,000 sats, that's like 6 cents. If you have about 200,000 sats, that's about $2. 200,000 sats, it's about $200 now. $2 to process that on the main chain. Um, Now we're gonna look at how to use Lightning to make faster and cheaper payment. And now it's like it's not that like complicated. The way you could use it is just to download our app. So we're gonna look at how you can just simply download Moon Wallet and then use it. Just like you see in that transaction here, this is a lightning payment, right? This is illustrating this lightning, but it's really fast, just like you see here. This is just like the way that lightning works. You don't need to set up lightning channels, you don't have to have a node, you don't have to have any of that. You just download the app and then you just send some Bitcoin to it. Yes, you may want to send like a big chunk of Bitcoin on the base layer, let's say $500 or $1,000, and then if you want to spend, right, if you want to go somewhere, right, you want to spend some Bitcoin like this person, um, you see, he just used the NFC of the merchant, right, and he just processed the payment. See, so this is how the payment goes. Boom. And the merchant receive the Lightning payment. And this is using a Lightning URL. Okay, so the Lightning Network was created by this person. Um, by this originally, this is the one of the coders, two of them, right? This guy and another guy who created the Lightning Network. So initially, it was a solution to the Bitcoin processing time and Bitcoin heavy costs on the base layer, just like I showed you earlier. So it was a lighter way to take payment on off chain, so we can process them faster and quicker. Um, and actually, it does works, right? So right now we have that tens of um, hundreds of like other lightning services and companies on top of this network, providing support and providing services for people who want to make payment. So let's say, for example, right now, if you want to onboard your family, your friends, you just send them that link, like the blank app, and then they just download the application on their phone, and then they can start having some Bitcoin. Now you may want to send them, let's say, $10 or $50 of Bitcoin, and as time goes on, they can look at the price going up and down, up, and they wanna may wanna have some more in the future, right? So this is what I use. I use Moon, send them some lightning payment, pay them or for what they do. For example, my neighbor helped me with some work. I just pay him on over lightning and just done. Not having to wait for long time confirmation and all heavy high fees. Now, if it gets to some point, it may be sometimes it can be very expensive if on-chain fees are very high. Um, Fees can be high on the Lightning Network as well. We're gonna talk. We can talk about this, but overall, the Lightning Network is way cheaper. Let's say if you're using wallets like Wallet of Satoshi, it's even way more cheaper. By the way, Wallet of Satoshi, you don't have full control of your keys like Moon, right? Even if it's not like Moon, but the ease of use and for beginners, it's really good. Now, let's say you want to make a payment, you want to pay for a coffee, your neighbor help you, or you want to pay like for smaller payment and for merchant, you want to tip your server, you want to tip your in the restaurant, you want to tip somebody or anything, you can use that. Now another use case for people in the Western world, if you go to Bitrefill, right? So you go to Bitrefill, you want to buy something, right? You can easily pay with Lightning. So how does it work? You go there and you go look for a gift card, anything you want to buy, how many, whatever, how much you want to pay. You go there with you want to, let's say we're going to go buy a Walmart gift card. We go over there. I'm going to pay about $50 for this. And now I'm going to take two of them and I'm going to, just put in my email and I just click on here. Now I have many options. I have Bitcoin, as we know, like I may not want to pay for heavy on-chain fees at the moment, and Lightning is faster and quick. And then the other advantage of Lightning as well, over here, when you make a payment on the Lightning Network, it doesn't get recorded like on the base layer. So if you make it when you make a payment on the base layer, everything get recorded, like every transaction, like all the record is all set in and it's all recorded on every node on the network. Everybody can go back to that payment and see what happened and how much you sent, how much you have on your balance, how much you have left, and whatever you sent to, what was the address and everything, right? Because everything is recorded. And there's a reason why it needs to be this way, because we need to be able to verify the 21 million hard cap, and it has to be transparent, right? That's a feature, not a bug. Now, on the Lightning Network, you don't need that, right? Because you're lighter payments, and they have and they are channel based. So there are two people set up a channel, or like another LSP or service Lightning service provider setting up channels, and they're just bouncing payment to each other. So they don't need that much of a confirmation or guaranteed record of every transaction. They just bounce payment, and this is why it's more private. When you make a Lightning payment, it settles right away, and it's private. And because the Bitcoin is already locked in the up front, because it's locked in up front, it doesn't have to be recorded on the base layer to have a record everything, right? So now you make your Lightning payment over here. It's private. You click on Lightning, right? This is a bit refill, and then now you choose your wallet, right? You want to choose wallet of Satoshi, want to choose Moon Wallet, you want to choose Phoenix, right? And there's so many other options. There's Blink and everything you want, Chivo, anything you want. Now, if you want to go back, you want to choose Bitcoin, you can choose that as well. And there's some other crypto as well, but now we're talking about Lightning and Bitcoin. Let's say wallet of Satoshi. Now this is the address. This is the Lightning address. As you can see, this is not the same as a Bitcoin base layer address. This is the Lightning address. So this address, you're gonna get it in. You're gonna send it, send the payment right away. As soon as you pay, you're gonna have this gift card gonna go right to your email address you give. So the email address is gonna go to that email address right away, and you have your gift card. So this is how you spend Bitcoin over the Lightning Network. Other ways you can, if you buying, let's say, and make lightning payments and all of that. But in the nutshell, that's it. That's what it is. You download the app, right? You don't need to set up channels, nothing of that, none of that. Okay, you don't want to lose any Bitcoin doing this. So just download the app and then just send some Bitcoin to it. And then when you want to buy from somebody who accept Bitcoin, you can just send them Lightning payment with sats. As simple as that. So anyways, I just wanted to leave it there, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you like, comment, please subscribe. I will see you in the next bike over.